Linguine with green beans, bacon, and sausage. What couldn't be better? We'll start off with bacon, some green onions, sausage, and tonight I'm using gluten-free linguine. I'll need to chop the green onions, I cut a small section off of my bacon. Now I'm going to separate it and add it to my frying pan. Cooking it till it's nice and crispy. Prepare your noodles, or the linguine in this case, into a pot of hot boiling water, adding a smidgen of salt. Let's check on that bacon, why don't we? Oh my, the kitchen is smelling mighty fine right about now. Time to prepare the sausage for frying in with the bacon. The linguine is all cooked and ready to strain. It's time to remove the bacon from the frying pan. The sausage will remain just a few more minutes. When the sausage is done, I will drain off into a clean can the grease, reserving 1 tablespoon that will go back into the pan. If you would rather not use the bacon grease, you can substitute olive oil. I've added the green onions into the hot oil, and I want to pan fry that for just a short time. And add in the frozen green beans. I had 2 bags that were a quarter full. This is a great way to use up leftovers in your freezer. I also had some frozen red bell pepper, which I added to the pan. You'll want to cook through your frozen green beans, and then you will add back into the pan your bacon and your sausage. It's time to add the linguine to the pan and give it a nice stir around. I thought a nice touch would be a few squirts of teriyaki sauce into the pan over top of the noodles. Doesn't that look delicious? Give it a nice stir, cover just till it's heated through, and you're ready to sit down for dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and smash that like button. Bye-bye now.